Third officer to embark, 3,300 euros net, Italian flag with social security. There is huge volume of Greek junior officers that have experience on board the Ro-Ro and passengers. Many have also experience on board the cruise, on board the chemical tanker, faraway ships, and the flag of convenience. But there is plenty huge, like female, for example, or there is plenty huge juniors that look forward a career with the social security. You know, Italy has this Italian flag, 22 Ro-Ros and 55 Ro-Paxes. We are talking about, let's say, officers. Where is my calculator? We are talking around, for example, 77 times, let's say, 30 officers per ship. That's 2,310 officers. So, if we are talking about half home, half on board, you start as junior, 4 months on, 2 off. And if you think about the career long term with Social Security, after 2 years, you have an employment which no cruise company grants this, nor flag of convenience, nor if you are serving and working far away from Europe. Therefore, it is a huge opportunity, even tanker or chemical or any other type of ships. It's a huge opportunity to have a career because you can promote very easily. So apply urgently, not required English, although we know most of the Greek junior officers do speak English. It's Italian language and it is very close to your home, like a huge Ro-Ro-Ro-Pax family company. Candina is a family company, and we want to put the ships close to your home in Greece so we can have a closer family tie long term. If you know someone also, ratings, whatever, we are requiring a huge volume of Greek also because the situation is going to get worse now this summer, and that's a huge opportunity. Every time they say this is going to be worse, then it's a huge opportunity for someone. Now, this opportunity is for you to have a long-term career with the Social Security. Thank you. Bye.